Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ìfẹ́ ọmọ ṣe tí ó dá. Amúnilótútù láìsọ yẹ. Amúnilóoru láìsòrò. Amúnisọ̀kò sọ́jà àbárálé. Oyin ló fi sẹ́nu bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́ àná. Ọ̀rọ̀ àná ti yàtọ̀ kí ló dé? Ọ̀rọ̀ àná ṣe tún bá bòmíràn lọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ àná ṣe tún bá bòmíràn lọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ àná ṣe bá bòmíràn lọ. You promised to stay with me. Ó wí pé ó máa dúró. Ọlọ́run máa daṣọ bò mí tí mo bá wà níyàn. Ọlọ́run máa fún mi lóúnjẹ nígbà tẹ́bí bá pa mí. Onífẹ́ òtítọ́ lónìí, ìfẹ́ tí kì í ṣe.
So babe, you know what? I can't help but remember how we met. Do you remember?
Remember?
At the NSAS protest.
That's money.
Yes.
I've not even had my bath before coming outside that.
Are you serious?
My friends just said, let's go and protest. NSAS, and I followed them. It's my bantu not.
I was about to say something about that. So that was what attracted me to you.
Are you serious?
Yes. I was even telling my friend, I said, this fine girl with this polo thing on her head. And I came to meet you. How for me?
I remember. Oh.
Do you know that even though the government, even though they claim to have ended SARS, and obviously police brutality is still going on, the one thing I'm glad that I picked out or I found in that protest is you.
Me too. I'm so happy I found you.
After you stole my name as Yemi Sass. Yemi and Sass.
Babe, no. And I said I was sorry. And I changed it now.
Changed after how many begging I'm telling
sorry,
you.
now.
Oh, me. You know my credit on the street?
Hey, Mr. Yemi. Yemi and Sass.
I suffered.
Yemi and Sass.
But I'm glad I found you anyway.
Me too.
Hello, Bami Romo. Sweetie baby. Torí pé ọmọ dùn ọmọ tán ọmọ fàkọyọ. Torí kò sọ́mọ náà láyé dàlí mi.
Àní ṣe
ọmọ dùn ọmọ tán ọmọ fàkọyọ. Ọmọ ẹ̀ wá mi kán gègé tiwa. Ọmọ tèmi why forever. A baby. Yes, that brings me to it. There's this conversation I've always wanted us to have. You know, it's nothing serious. So
okay.
I just want us to just discuss and just maybe like get to know each other more.
I hope you're not going to argue.
No, it's not. Come on, it's not an argument.
Okay.
So I've always wanted us to talk about our body counts. Like you tell me yours and I'll tell you mine. And wait. Before we go further, we'll promise ourselves that nobody will get angry.
But why do you want us to talk about body counts?
Nothing. It's not a big deal. It's just like we're just having a conversation here. See, we've gone around, we've strolled around, we've had fun. So let's just have more conversation.
But why do you want to talk about body counts?
Nothing. It's not so. It's not see. Okay, do you know what? I know you're not cool with it, but let me start. I will start. If that will make you feel better.
Okay.
And like I said, let's promise ourselves nobody will get angry.
Okay.
Okay, so you know me, I was just virgin in my 100 level in school. You see, you're really looking at me somehow. But anyway, starting from my 100 level days, I think into my final year. Then my NYC days. NYC. And okay, see, roughly 19. Well, you said no. See, we promised ourselves we'll not get angry, and that was in the past. Now, see, then I was still a bad guy for mysteries, but I promise you, I don't do like that again.
I'm not angry now.
All right, if you say so. If you say so.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, now your turn.
No, now let's forget about it.
No.
Let's talk about this thing now. Why do you want us to talk about it?
I already told you mine now. Just tell me yours. There's nothing there. I won't get angry, I promise you.
Are you sure?
You did. Look at now. You didn't get angry at mine, so I won't get angry at yours now.
Are you sure?
I promise. I promise. I will not get angry.
Okay. But you know, I've never thought of counting.
Are you serious? See my babies. Let me see. I don't put them in your one hand.
Okay, let me count.
Okay. 2. Okay. 5. Oh, lower. Okay, like 6 or maybe 5.5. 7.
Oh, baby, you're distracting.
Okay.
The 30.
30 what? What's that?
My body count.
Babe, calm down. Like 13.
30. 30.
Stop, Jerry. We're talking about body count. Giving me football scores. Who is talking about football scores here?
Now, I'm not joking.
30. 30.
Yes.
Like 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Yes, now.
Babe, your body count is 30.
Yes.
Like 30.
Babe, are you angry?
I'm not. No.
But you're raising your voice.
I promise I'm not. That's how I talk. That's how I sound when I'm
this is
shocked.
not how you sound.
This is how I know. Do you know me more than myself? Do you know me more than myself? Are you into any public service something? Maybe like Arike pre-order or something like that? Do you do hookup? Do you usually do hookup? Babe, 30.
You promised you won't be angry.
I'm not angry now. This is how I talk.
But babe, you said 19 and I was not angry.
Yes, because I am a man. A man. You see, I'm a man. I have master key. Master key can open like 19 doors. But when a door is being opened by 30 keys, who does that? Who hears that? That's reckless. That's it. Babe, you are irresponsible. I'm even calling you babe. Woman of the world. From this moment, this is officially over. It's not only answers that went. This has ended. 30.
Is he angry? But it's just 30.